The redneck water skipping, or whatever you want to call it. Rick's going to be hanging on that handle with duct tape. Get the shot of the handle. Are you going to get a shot of the handle? You got a handle on the ground? Duct tape. And good luck. The water's still warm. We hope he lands in the deep end over there. Awesome. We got an island crew up there on the platform. Are you ready?
All right, bro, good.
Oh, okay.
Smoke a cigarette, are you?
No.
Cameras are running. Cigarette for the survival.
Fuck that, I'm taking the cigarette with me.
That's cigarette abuse.
Hey Rick, you gonna live with a cigarette and die with a cigarette?
Hey, remember I did the jump with my dune buggy? And come back down through the mud, I kept my cigarette in my mouth.
You might lose your sandals. Take your sandals off.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Well, they float.
Alright, here we go. Mr. Rickham is just getting ready to do his one dive.
Any last words, Rick?
Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Good way to ruin a cigarette in a hurry.
Alright, start recording.
Hey Rick, that's tobacco abuse.
Hey, see if I can pick you up.
Lift me up.
That would be fun. That's good. That's good. Oh! 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 Damn!
Come on this way.
Tough as nails.
Hang on, I've got to zoom back out.
We have a survivor.
Makes it feel better we got it all.
Well, Mr. Rickham,
Looks
you had a little bit of an accident.
Ah, fuck that.
You don't care, do you? Look at that, eh? Mate, the steel he is, look at him.
Couple smashes,
you'll be all right.
bruises. Fuck, we're good.
So we'll wait a little while and we'll do it again, shall we?
Maybe we should make something where you can hang by your feet.
You need to be, listen, you need to be here when you lift it off the ground about an inch, then flick that way, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it needs. Because you're dragging in the water, it's slowing you down. Yeah. You're not getting maximum velocity at the end of the road. Yeah.
Good thing you didn't break my backhoe.
There you go, Tubers. Mr. Rickham's at it again, anyhow. He just loves busting himself up.